Hey guys, I'm doing 2 pounds of chicken thighs, and then I'm going to add this organic chicken broth. I'm going to salt and pepper, and then let's see what else. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I have added the chicken broth, and now I'm going to put a can of cream of chicken soup, and I'm going to put this on and let it cook on low for about 6 hours. Okay guys, it is all done. I put 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I did, let's see, 32 ounces of the organic chicken broth, and I had some sliced frozen mushrooms, which I've never used before. I ordered them from Publix, and they look delicious. And threw those in there, and a can of cream of chicken soup. And I put it on high. At first I was going to do it on low, so I wanted to get to a boil. So I put it on high, and I pretty much cooked it on high for 4 or 5 hours. And then the last hour I cut it down on low and let it do another hour. So it's been about a total of 6 hours. So if you want to throw something together like this, just chicken, and chicken broth and pasta and sliced mushrooms and like I said, cream of chicken soup. I might be repeating myself on the ingredients. Salt and pepper, and let that thing simmer, and you'll have something delicious for your family to eat. I hope you have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a virtual hug. I sure hope you feel it. And I love you, love you, love you. Until tomorrow.